Well, it's almost 12:30. I'm getting pretty hungry. Well, I got my canteen cup with me in the back, and I got some food. Well, I'll show you what I put together. I'll show you what I put together this morning in preparation for my canteen cup cooking. Hold on a minute. It's already cooked. I'll just add all this in here. Two, three, four. Maybe I'll get 5. All right, so I got my corn tortilla shells and avocado. I put salt and pepper and a little bit of the garlic flavored Texas Pete into the mix here. So really, I think that's all I'm going to need to do my canteen cup lunch today. Dang, I almost forgot my chili powder. I want to put a little bit of this in there too. Why, this looks like a perfect place. Oh heck yeah, this place is going to work great. Nice park. Down there got a nice lake. Some hiking trails. And a covered picnic shelter. Even has a place to put my canteen, my little stove right there. A little oil in my canteen cup. And then I already mixed up all my the squirrel and my peppers and onions and stuff. So basically all I have to do is heat it up. Yep, that's the way I want it. I believe it's time to eat. You know what a bummer is I left my doggone avocado at home. Man, I was really looking forward to that avocado. Just got in too big of a hurry when I left. So really, all I'm gonna do, put a little Pete on there, spoon me in some pepper and onion and squirrel mixture. Oh, that little, don't worry about those little pieces of hair. That's what happens when you do a bad job of cleaning them. It would have been better with avocado. Ooh, that jalapeno. Jalapeno's pretty hot. I believe I'll have another. These miniature tortillas, you can eat them in about 3 bites. Dang, I only got enough for one more. A little more don't hurt. If you were here, I would have shared this one with you. Finger licking good. Well, I do want to say thanks for joining me on another Canteen Cup Tuesday. Quick one, I know. But you know, if you do your proper planning at home, it doesn't take too long to cook it. This is a short lunch break. I got to get back to work. See y'all later.